Hi, Scott Holber, Secure Sling and Strap. Today I want to talk about our FLEXPRO gloves and some of the features that make them one of the most versatile, most durable gloves on the market. The first thing that I want to do though is tell a little bit of a story about how these gloves came about. Secure Sling and Strap, actually, we're more of a product convention company. We work with clients in order to create the products they need to do their job better. And so we had a manufacturing client that I've had for a couple years now. When we first met, they wanted some safety gloves. And after speaking with people on the floor, what they were looking for, the shop workers, was actually our Max Flex glove. And they wanted that Max Flex glove because, one, it does provide that padding here, it provides the touch screen, and it's very easy to move, grip, feel, and know what you're doing as you're manufacturing and putting together products. Their parent company disagreed and felt that they should have impact resistance. The workers couldn't use the impact resistance gloves for a number of reasons. One, the dexterity and mobility, the flexibility wasn't there. And second, they couldn't feel anything. And so they came to us and said, this is our situation, what can we do? And what we did at Secure Sling and Strap is we took the flexibility of our Max Flex glove, put the impact resistance on top of it while keeping the dexterity, and that's how the FLEXPRO glove was born. And so it has some great features with it that I'd like to share with you now. The first one is going to be the obvious one, in that it has the impact resistance across the back of the hand, across the knuckles, and across each finger. As you look at this impact resistance, something you're going to notice about our gloves that aren't really out there elsewhere in the market is that we sew our impact resistance on. And if you look there, you can see the actual stitching going along. What this does for you, the user, means that nothing's going to pop off, in the middle of work. Most people glue theirs on, which in hotter environments or after a certain amount of wear, you start losing them. That's not what happens with ours. And so the first thing is this maximum protection. The second thing is just the way that it's cut is how we were actually able to get the flexibility. You'll see there's a small gap right here, and you'll also see the special cuts along each side. And so that allows you to actually bend, grip, flex, and keep that dexterity that you need in order to perform your manufacturing jobs. If you look at the other side of the glove, there's a couple cool things as well. One is going to be this padding across the front of the knuckles as well as the palm. This is anti-vibration. And so as you're using machinery, as you're using drills, as you're using hammers, you're swinging things, this is going to protect you, one, from blisters, and two, from the damage that occurs to your nerves, your muscles, your bones, from continuous vibration. And so that's something that's not in a lot of other gloves. Secondly, we've got touch screen compatibility across these fingertips right here, which means that you can use your diagnostic devices, you can use your phones, you can send your texts if your job allows. And then finally, for durability, we've got the reinforced saddle in between the index and the thumb, because that's where gloves tend to wear out first, and that's where you're actually doing the gripping. That's where a lot of the rub and the wear occurs, and so we reinforce that to make sure that your gloves have maximum longevity. And those are the features. That's the story. It's one of the most versatile gloves on the market. It's great for mechanics, it's great for machinists, it's great for around the house, do-it-yourselfers. You can use this as you're mowing the lawn, as you're weed eating, or as you're just doing chores around the house. You got the protection here, you got protection here, and you got all the flexibility and grip you need. Head over to securesling.com, pick up your pair today.